We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We hear he is a wonderful whiz, if ever a whiz there was, if ever a whiz there was. Because of the wonderful things he does. Alright, it is 6:45 and we are going on another adventure. Hi! Eating our breakfast. We're trying a new fruit. Abiu. Abiu. Have you ever seen it?
You want to do that?
No, I don't think so.
It was sitting right next to the mangosteens.
I'm waiting for the inside to see if it does not look familiar.
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Yeah.
It's like kind of mild.
Open up. There we go. It's not too overly sweet.
Right, like I hate fruit, absolutely hate fruit.
Really?
I accept bananas and I'll like have like anything citrus flavored, but like I hate fruit because it's very sugary, but it's also very, very acidic. So it just sits on my stomach and just turns it. Like I need carbs to weigh me down in the morning.
So you don't like watermelon?
I'll eat watermelon, I'll eat a peach, but like I have to force myself to eat it. However, the rind of a watermelon, like a little bit of pink, right before you get to the green part, that is the best part. So when you cut out a watermelon, leave like a half inch of pink and then like eat it over the sink.
You and I,
just comes
this
down
is
your
why
face.
you and I are friends. I can eat something up my
We matched.
But is it raining or is it just we're in a cloud? Is this how it feels to be in a cloud?
He said the best view is over there? Oh, wow. Oh my God. So pretty. We're at the all-day tour and it's still 10 a.m. We're gonna be on the tour for the entire day. And we're just exploring the Big Island. And right now we're kind of taking a quick bathroom break. It's so crazy how like from the east side to the west side of that island, of this island, is just drastically different in terms of weather. What you got, girl?
I have Spam musubi, which I'm not entirely sure how it's going to taste. So Spam is actually very popular in Hawaii because when the Americans used it in World War II as a war base, the military usually has things like canned meat to keep everything edible. So Spam became a huge thing that was coming in and out of Hawaii back in the day. And actually in Hawaii there are multiple flavors of Spam, which I did not know before I learned that there are many flavors of Spam.
Spam is also popular in my house.
It's very fishy smelling though. I think it's the seaweed. I think the seaweed is like straight out of the ocean. Like I think they picked it this morning.
We're right by the cliff and we're gonna have lunch and then we're gonna go check that out. That looks freaking beautiful.
Let's go cliff diving.
Okay, let's do it. Here at the Laksan Beach. And it's hot. Yes, it's hot. Quite hot. And Andrea told me to bring a long sleeve.
Okay.
I got you.
So we're in front of the Black Sands Beach and then behind us is a lava field where the lava has come out of a particular vent and cooled and it's like acres.
This is Andrea, the explorer.
It's a shiny rock. Look at this shiny rock.
Listens a little bit. I'm taking this rock.
I don't know if you guys can hear, but some of you guys know that I like to, wherever I travel, I like to pick up something that I can put on my Christmas tree at the end of the year. And so I'm thinking of getting this and making it an ornament. We shall see how it goes. This is nuts.
For a couple of minutes and then we're gonna do.
It's crazy.
Crazy, isn't it? But they tested it down there.
Ooh, that's hot.
It smells like ramen before you add the seasoning.
I think you're hungry.
Everybody's tasted, right? Awesome.
Is our Symphony Dry, 100% Symphony grapes. It's a French-American hybrid of Crop Noir. We do grow Pinot Noir grapes here on the property, but we don't. Yeah, we have both. They're considered fairly dry, actually. Yeah, there's no bitterness.
To Hawaii and to us.
Lighter.
Down here.
Because of her cigars and a lot of wine.
Has a bit of a pepper finish to it. It's very light. It's about 70% a dry red, and then about.
We're back in our Airbnb. It is like 9 or something like that. It was a 2-hour drive home, but it is our last night on the Big Island, and we're gonna go to a new island tomorrow. Closing this video out. See you on the next one.